Okay.
Well, give me an indication. All right, so this is Emmy and me, and we've made our own drilling rig here, and we call it the Whiz, because Emmy kept asking, "Gee whiz, Gord, what are you doing?" And we haven't got a clue if it's going to work, but we're just starting to drive it down. We'll put the surface casing in today, and yeah, we're hoping maybe we can average 5 or 10 feet a day. Who knows, maybe better. But then there'll be days we don't get nothing. So just disconnecting the brake there. We've got the power switch here. We've got a marker on there, so we're trying to indicate for a 1 meter blow. And yeah. Anyhow, this is better than we'd originally hoped for, and water is life, especially here more than ever. We haul our water in 5-gallon containers for quite a ways away. So yeah, this is the dream, and some other accessories we have here. This is the baler tube. So this is where we'll be taking the mush that we're creating by pounding down in the hole. And I don't know, maybe Emmy, give a view, a 360 view of what our
Property.
place looks like right now. We've got the stone rings there, we've got banana trees, avocado trees.
That's the ancient tree.
And then looking this to the east there, to the west I should say, we have the rock labyrinth. And we're about 100 feet away from the house where the well is itself. And it's always a work in production to build the place here. We're trying to garden on this property and one other property. And yeah, there's the inuksuks to keep me company all day here. And the property's ringed with coconut trees. That's a big maintenance job in itself, just to, 65 trees between here and the other property to keep the leaves and the coconuts always collected. So yeah, hope you enjoy this. This is the Whiz 21, and gee whiz, I hope we get water. Bye for now.